Legal aid exists in theory. In theory. Everyone can access the justice system. In theory. But theory doesn't show up in the hearing room. Resources do. No aid, no justice. That's the equation. When the means test cuts you from representation. Too much to qualify, too little to afford. The hourly rate is showing up in court. So you walking self-represented, paper shaking against the QC. That's the system making the contest that was never gonna be even. The courthouse floor with justice stopped believing in its own promise, in its own claim that everyone gets access to the same scales that tip on who can pay the bill. No aid, no justice. That's the deal. No aid, no justice. You know the score. No aid, no justice. It's been this way before, but we're naming it. We're claiming it. We're not playing the blaming game. No aid, no justice. That's the frame that has to change. That's on the nation's name. Legal aid reform, not a footnote. No aid, no justice. That's our whole vote. The Judy lawyers got 11 minutes flat for your matter that's been building. Imagine that. 11 minutes to understand the file that took you 2 years to accumulate in trial preparation, because the system underfunds the access point that stands between the ones who can't afford to fight and those who can't. No aid, no justice. That's not a rant. In its own promise, in its own claim that everyone gets access to the same scales that tip on who can pay the bill. No aid, no justice. That's the deal. No aid, no justice. You know the score. No aid, no justice. It's been this way before, but we're naming it. We're claiming it. We're not playing the blaming game. No aid, no justice. That's the frame that has to change. That's on the nation's name. Legal aid reform, not a footnote. No aid, no justice. That's our whole vote. Legal aid reform isn't charity. It's infrastructure. Like roads, like hospitals. The justice system is a public good that only functions as public if the public can actually use it. Right now, the threshold is too low. The funding is too thin. And the people who fall through the gap are not invisible.